So I'm designing one website. People asking call. So I'm designing one web pages. Well, how many limit of length character from title and description? Title length will be 60 characters. Description will be start by 50 characters. Less than 50 will be short description. Start with 50 characters, end with 300 characters. Previous the display by only for 160 characters. Now limit will increase by up to 300 characters. Here we can using for keyword ways or description way. The meta description will be accepted, but title will be total depend on keyword policies. Title depend by total keyword policies. That is called your title will be writing for like this: primary keyword, secondary keyword, terminal keyword. The limit of 60 characters like this. Online movies, free online movies, watch online movies. This is way you can writing for your title. Each title, each keyword derived by option call is pipe. Pipe nothing but R. Keyword R, keyword 2 R, keyword 3. Any three words, keyword, they're generating for multiple keywords. In this, we can see here online movies, online movie, two keywords. Free online movies, free online movie, two keywords. Watch online movie, watch online movies. Free, watch online movies, and online movie. So in one title, we can derive the n number of keywords. That is called, we're writing for 60 character. We can using for multiple keywords in one single title. That will be discussed on your SEO title time. Now we discuss about the what the length of parameter from SEO will be 60 characters. Description will be 50 to 300 characters. That will writing for like this. If anybody asking interview questions, they support previous 160 after changing for 300. In a previous some condition, they support only for 250 characters. Sometime updating for 320 also. Now support by minimum 50 to 300 characters. If coming to meta description, it will be 25 words or 200 characters. They will be showing for words or character also. So this is one. In this keyword, space also will be character. Comma also will be character. Special symbol and space also considered will be characters for title, description and keywords also. Please note down.